Now we're going to focus on cleaning the dashboard and the door panels inside the vehicle. Now to clean all of this vinyl, we're going to be using Krown's all-purpose cleaner degreaser and Krown's spot and stain remover. Now, it's pretty straightforward when we're talking about cleaning vinyl, but a few tips and tricks to keep in mind. Number one, for cleaning the vents, I like to use Q-tips to get into the different grooves and remove all that built-up dust. The second tip is using a toothbrush in and around the radio control panel to get into all of the nooks and crannies and effectively clean the various dust and buildup that can happen in these areas that are difficult to reach otherwise. And the third tip, when it comes to cleaning vinyl, vinyl has a lot of little grooves. And these little grooves, they build up oil and grease from your fingerprints that can be difficult to remove and clean. Now, instead of taking a scrub brush, which can be abrasive and potentially damage the vinyl, what I like to do is to take that scrub brush and actually wrap a soft cloth around the brush. And this allows you to scrub those areas without any risk of actually damaging the vinyl. And allowing either the degreaser or the spot and stain remover some dwell time can emulsify that grease and make it easy to remove. Now, after you've cleaned the dash and the door panels, you can follow that up using Krown's Vitalizer, which is an interior water-based dressing. And what that dressing does is it actually protects the interior and it adds a medium gloss, so it's restoring that natural look that the vinyl has, the same look it would have when you freshly pull the vehicle off the lot after you just purchased it. And it also protects the interior from sun damage, so it's going to make your vinyl last longer. Now that we've cleaned the dash and the door panels, we're going to move on to cleaning the upholstery and the carpet.